Hi, I already posted a video about 15 plus unique iOS tips. This is the sequel to it. Let's get into the video. The first tip I'm going to share today is how to use the keyboard as a trackpad. I'm using an iPhone 7 Plus and I have a physical 3D touch option. If you have the newer models, you will be having haptic touch option, and we'll see about that in the next tip. So I'm going to force press on the keyboard. Now you can see the keyboard has turned into a trackpad. I'm able to move the cursor also. Now the good thing doesn't end here. If I force press again, I'm able to select text and I can move to select multiple words also. And also now if I again force press, it gets unselected. It's really cool. Now we'll see how to use the keyboard as a trackpad in the newer Face ID models. For that, you need to press and hold on the space bar. So you can see the keyboard is now turned into a trackpad and you can easily scroll across this. And the only letdown here is that you won't be able to select any text. If I'm right, we don't have any specific settings to enable or disable this option. Simply enabling 3D touch or haptic touch in settings will also enable this. Please let me know in the comment section if I'm wrong. Now we all know to reply to a specific message in iMessage, we need to press and hold the message so that we will get three options: reply, copy and more. But we can simply double tap on the message so that we get the reply option, using which we can quickly reply to that specific message. We'll see about the rise to wake feature now. Simply take your phone in hand in this natural motion and the screen gets turned on. Now press the Touch ID button to log inside. And if you have the newer Face ID models, you might have to swipe up. This is a really underrated feature. I'm using this phone for about 4 years now, and in these 4 years I can surely say that I don't remember when was the last time this feature failed on me. To enable this feature, you need to go inside Settings, Display and then Rise to Wake option. If this is the first time you're hearing about this feature, do try this out. If you like the tips that I shared today, do like this video and share it with your friends and family and subscribe to the channel. See you all in the next one.